Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 10 of your Law and Ethics for Pharmacy Technicians course. This is the final week of the course. So what we're going to talk about is a lot of housekeeping things, actually, at this point. So first of all, I just wanted to make sure to point out to you, if you go to the syllabus within the course this week, you will see that you actually do not have an assignment for this week. So let me slip on down to week 10. So here you can see you are reviewing for the final exam. You do have a discussion, but there is no actual assignment for this week. So please make sure that you get an initial post in by Wednesday of at least 200 words, and then a final, or two replies, I should say, in by Thursday, the same day that you're going to complete your final exam. So those are your two to-dos for week 10, which is complete your discussion post, a total of 3, one that is 200 words, and that's your initial post, and then 2 replies of at least 50 words each, and then that final exam. Don't worry about trying to get that final exam done right away. Take some time to review. Go back and look at the material that we've covered since the beginning of the course so that you are feeling more prepared. So that is the week 10 to-dos. Now, the other thing that I want you to make sure that you do this week is to go back to your course, and that's why I have it pulled up like this in the actual student view. I want you to go in to where it says grades. Excuse me. Once you're in this spot, this is going to show you all of your current scores and what your final grade is. So if you go all the way down to the bottom, you're going to be able to see a final grade. Anything that is listed that is blank means you have not completed it and you need to turn it in. If it has a 0, that also means it needs to be completed and or redone and turned in. So take the time now to go back and look at every single assignment and quiz and see if there's anything that you still need to complete so that you can make sure that by the end of the day on Thursday, your score is as high as it can possibly be. So take a moment to do that this week as well. Now, the other thing that I want you to make sure that you do is to go through and look and see, is there something that I struggled with that I understand now? If so, reach out to me. I am happy to discuss with you the possibility of redoing a quiz or something like that in order to improve your scores. Now, keep in mind the only things that you can do are assignments and quizzes at this point. The discussion posts close at the end of a particular week, so those are not open. The only discussion posts you can still do are the ones for week 10. The other thing I want you to keep in mind is that the course does close on Thursday night at midnight, so that means everything must be completed and turned in by that time. I will be posting your final grades in my portal on Friday morning before noon. So if for some reason you can't get things completed, maybe you need a little extra time to prepare for that final, maybe you got called into work and you're just not able to get to it like you thought you were going to be able to. Things happen. But you need to make sure you reach out to me before I start posting grades on Friday. So reach out to me and let me know, hey, Ms. Davis, can I please get an extension, whatever. I am happy to work with you on any extension that you might need, and we can discuss how long that extension can be at that time. So reach out to me, give me a call. Remember, you can either email me or call me or text me. My phone number is 618-792-2293. So if a text works better, that's fine. Reach out to me, let me know, make sure you give me your name, tell me what's going on, and tell me what it is I can help you with, because I want to make sure that you are as successful as possible in this course. So ultimately, that's it for this week, a pretty easy week to kind of wrap things up. If you have any problems or questions, though, please make sure that you reach out to me before the deadline. That is imperative. And good luck on your final exam, and have a great week.